So for this example, I'm going to be using the number 9 and 949 thousandths. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this number in my place value chart. So in unit form, this would be 9 ones, 9 tenths, 4 hundredths, and 9 thousandths. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to find my tenths place, and I'm going to circle everything to the left, including my tenths. Now, what is my next step? I'm going to underline the next place value, which is a 4 in my hundredth spot. I'm going to look at that 4, and I know that 5 or more I'm going to raise the score, 4 or less I'm going to let it rest. So this is a 4. So I'm going to let this number rest in the circle, which means I'm going to keep it the same. So I'm going to have my 9 ones and my 9 tenths. The rest becomes zeros. Now, since these are trailing zeros in my decimal places, I know I don't need those. So my answer is 9 and 9 tenths. So let's see what happens when we round to the nearest hundredth. So I'm going to keep my same number. This time I'm rounding to the nearest hundredth, and that is 9 and 9 tenths, 4 hundredths, 9 thousandths. Go ahead and pause this video and see if you can round to the nearest hundredth using this strategy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to locate my hundredth spot. I'm going to circle it and everything to the left. I'm going to underline what's to the right, and I'm going to say to myself, 5 or more, raise the score, 4 or less, let it rest. This is a 9, so that's going to do what to this number? It's going to raise the score. So I'm going to raise the score in this next place value. That is going to go up by 1. So that 4 will change to a 5. So that would be 9 ones, 9 tenths, 5 hundredths, and this would become a 0. We know we don't really need that 0 there, so the answer becomes 9 and 95 hundredths.